Hey guys, so a few quick notes right here on for Tropical Forest Pack 1.1. First thing, it is fully deferred shading available. Right now we're in forward, but it does run best. The calls and everything go down a lot more with the fully deferred shading. Of course, if you're doing VR, you most likely be using forward, but the performance isn't going to be the best in it. I guess it's supposed to be, but I haven't had much luck with Unity forward rendering. All right, but so it's pretty simple. We have to put in custom deferred shaders for the custom tree importer shaders. So for that, it used to be in personal on edit, project settings. Used to be on player, but I did change this to linear already because that locked up a little bit. But I changed that to linear, and then project settings graphics. All right, let me put this back. All right, so it has my computer in high tier 3, even though it's a laptop, but it has it up there. So I'll just uncheck use defaults, and I'll go down here to rendering path and change that to deferred. And yeah, there you go. This is how I want it to look. I like nice alien tropical forest pack. No, we definitely need change for this. So we go down here, deferred and deferred reflections in the built-in shader settings. It will change this to custom and this to custom. There we go. And for the deferred, we'll put in CTI. Oh no, deferred. There we go. It's the second one here. Deferred shading, so that should get it looking better. And then we go here, do the same thing, choose the first one. There we go. And now the reflections will work. So there you go. Now these are fully deferred. Only thing that's not deferred, I think, on even the water in the demo. But if you have the clouds, using the clouds, those are the only thing that are forward because I'm using it's Shader Forge, so it just freaks out when you're in the validation. Alright, so it should run better. Set pass calls should go down a good amount. Building in 5.6 now, so materials, trees, yeah, everything should have enable instancing enabled. So all the shaders are instanced. Not doing as great in 5.6 as in 5.5, but it still works good. I've had a few issues with 5.6. I'm not sure if it's just because I have the first on F3, not the 0.1, but I've just had some issues where it slows down a bit. 5.5 I didn't have that, but hopefully that'll be rectified soon. Oh yeah, another thing, CTI DepthNormal, if you're using SSAO or other effects, I'll create an empty. It's not in the settings anymore, so Lars created this script so we could just add it to the individual scenes. I don't know why Unity removed that, but they did. So I'll just put in CTI depth, and then I'll go component. Yeah, I'll put in depth and set custom depth normal shader, and then we'll put depth again and CTI camera depth normal texture, and there you go. So that should set it for that scene. You have to add that to each scene, but I'm guessing you can probably save it as a prefab and just slide it out so you don't have to save you a few steps. And everything should run. Image effects and everything should run good with the leaves and bark shader. All right, that's about it. Thanks, guys.